video and welcome to another episode of Different Cuisine Tacos. And today we are making burritos. Here we go. The chicken's already in the pot. Cooking with a lot of oil.
Take some out.
No, here with me.
Yeah.
I'm sure take it out and leave it in there. That's some that.
Take some out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know what I was thinking. Oops.
Yeah. Just slightly. Okay.
Oopsies.
It's alright. Let me just check this.
Done, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, run out yesterday. Not. My cousin came from the UK. So we went and did a party. You're going to what?
What?
No.
Oh.
It's really good. Now we're going to like put it all in.
You're cooking the chicken.
You see,
We're taking it. The favorite bean flavor.
black pepper. Lots of pepper. And then we're going to put a little bit of rosemary.
Ooh.
Little bit. Then with our garlic. Bit of Chinese pasta. Ready?
You want to mix or do you want to mix?
You mix. It's gonna mix. And then we're gonna put not a lot.
Ooh, some chili powder. Okay.
Sorry about that. And I'm back with the sweet sauce. Good the sweet sauce, guys.
Just waiting for the chicken to cook.
While that is cooking, and put it in the soy sauce. And then the other get a bit of salt. Salt.
Alright. Now I'm just going to put the chicken to cook.
And then you put our scissors.
Yep.
Then we put in the burrito thingy.
Burrito. Burrito.
You want to start?
Yeah. I'm going to place this so the chicken cooks.
Wait, the thing was right here.
Oh, that's the one I'm looking for. Thank you.
Sure, you see, look. Yep, that, and then we're going to put some cheese.
Alright, I'll let the chicken cook a little bit more and then we'll add the cheese in. Just like a little bit more. Oh, nope, is that other one? There we go. Okay, we'll let that cook for a little bit. And then we're good. Sorry. Oh.
I know what he's doing. They can go and be.
You find a carrot or no?
No,
No carrot.
no,
Not at the bottom.
no.
Let me check. Oh. No. Not carrot. Yeah, it's there.
Beautiful. Now let that cook a little bit more.
The cheesy.
While we have the veggies cooking.
Get in there, guys, get in there. Part 2.